everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to activate an AT&T SIM card with the same number. So the first step that you have to do is insert the new AT&T SIM card into your phone's SIM tray using the included injector tool. Next is open the My AT&T application, or you can also go to att.com/activate in your browser to start the activation process. Next is sign in with your AT&T account credentials, so that can be your email, phone number, and password. Next step is enter the new SIM card number, ACCID, found on the SIM card, and select Keep My Existing Number. Lastly is tap on Activate to confirm, and then restart your phone so your old number will now be working on the new SIM. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!